Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly store fresh spinach. This just uses things you probably already have at home, and if done properly, you can actually get fresh spinach to last up to 14 days. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing to do is to use a Tupperware container or some sort of plastic container. You want something that has firm sides. I wouldn't recommend storing spinach in a plastic bag because as you add other things to the fridge, move things around, there's a high probability of it getting crushed or bruised. So use a Tupperware container. You want to line that container with paper towels and just add in your spinach. Now the part that's important is you don't want to overpack whatever you're storing the spinach in. That again will kind of cause it to get crushed, and that's the last thing you want to do. So what the paper towel does is actually absorbs any moisture or condensation that might accumulate in the container. So you want to line the sides and the bottom part with paper towels, but then also you want to line the top too with a paper towel. So it's lined with the paper towel, has the paper towel on top, and now we're just going to go ahead and put the lid on it. So spinach likes to be cold and in a dry spot. So the paper towel is going to absorb that condensation, and then you're just going to take your container and just store it in the fridge. And it should last this way, stay fresh and crisp for up to 14 days. Simple as that. So I highly recommend don't use a plastic bag. If you buy salad in a bag, transfer it to a plastic container. It'll last a lot longer this way. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. And if there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment below. See you guys next time.